Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, all signs. So, yes, okay. Energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, okay. So, for the whole week, okay. So, ihabol natin kasi hindi ako nakagawa ng Saturday. So, ngayong whole week, ito yung ating reading for you. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, hanggang 13. Okay, so this is a new deck by the way. And yeah, hindi pa natin na siya shuffle actually. So simulan na natin yung shuffle. And ano pa ba? Wala pang reverse to. Anyway, so again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so yes, meron po tayong mga protection from evil eye. Meron din tayong for love and money. Okay, meron din tayong pangtanggal alat. Pangtanggal MALAS. Okay, pwedeng sa business, pwede dyan sa bahay mo, pwede dyan sa pangsarili. Okay, and ano pa ba? Yung ating granter necklace po, yung taga-grant po ha ng inyong mga minamanifest. Okay, so kung gusto silang makita, just message me. Okay, and then will send you their actual picture, actual photos, no, ng mga charms natin. So, let's see. What's for you? Okay, weekly energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, mensahe. Okay, again, this is a new deck. Wala pang reversed. Ngayon pa lang natin siya shuffle. So, air signs. What is for you this whole week? This week. Air signs. Air signs. Air signs. Air signs. One more. Air signs. Anong meron sa'yo ngayong week? Anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Air signs. Again, don't forget po to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. What? The Three of Swords. Pasensya na po sa glare. Okay, so what's with that Three of Swords? The Six of Cups. This is reminiscing. Somebody is sad. Could be another air sign and a water sign. Somebody, sabihin nating the Fool. Hindi ko masabi kung energy mo to or energy ng ibang tao na nakapaligid sa'yo. Some of your ex. This is your ex. Okay. Let's see. Your ex is sabihin nating malungkot. Some of you, if you're in a separation like recent, okay, recent na nangyaring hiwalayan, they miss you. Okay. What's with this Three of Swords? The Nine of Wands. Merong nagtatago ng totoong emosyon, totoong pain. May nagtatago ng pain. Or magtatago ka ng pain. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng may mga manunumbalik na kung anumang energy from the past na pwedeng magdulot sa'yo ng pain, magdulot sa'yo ng hatred, or kung anuman. Okay, mas maganda po, i-guard mo na yung sarili mo from that. Okay, the Nine of Wands is here. I-guard mo na yung sarili mo from that. Okay? Yung emotion mo, you have to guard your emotion this week. Okay, whether sa kung kanino man or sa sarili mo man, i-guard mo yung sarili mo. Huwag mong hayaang masaktan. Okay, huwag mong hayaang masaktan. Huwag mong saktan yung sarili mo sa mga nangyari na, or sabihin nating mga natapos na. The Six of Pentacles. This is nice. Kakaiba yung image dito sa ating new deck. Hindi siya yung usual. Actually, yung usual na Six of Coins, Six of Pentacles is dalawa lang yung person na binibigyan. Ito, ang dami. And sabihin natin may fairness dito. Yeah. This is fairness. Six of Pentacles, sabihin din nating merong mag-aabot ng tulong. May magiging open, may magiging the word open. What's with the Six of Pentacles? The Knight of Cups. Merong kukuha ng attention mo. Merong gustong kumuha ng attention mo. There could be a water sign. We have here Scorpio. Meron ditong nakaka-appreciate lahat. Or may makaka-appreciate sa'yo this week. Air signs. Could be a water sign. Could be a Scorpio. They see you somebody so kind. Generous. Okay, like the love you're giving. Sabihin natin napaka-unconditional. Okay? So, it's like, kung anong nabibigay mo sa sitwasyon, yun din ang babalik sa'yo. It's like a boomerang effect. Parang ganyan. This is nice though. Okay? This is nice. What's with this what's with this Knight of Cups? Natingin ako dun kasi yung pusa namin nandito sa room. Oo, mahilig siya makialam dito eh. Hindi ko alam nandito pala. Oh my. So what's with this Knight of Cups? The Ten of Pentacles, diba? This is so nice. Kung ano man, kung ano man, yung nagawa mong tulong, kung ano man, material man yan, kung ano man, na yun na i-provide mo sa iba, babalik rin sa'yo. Like 100,000 folds. Okay? The Ten of Cups. Yeah. What else? Nice. This is so nice. What else for air signs? The Lovers. The Lovers. Why are they sad? Why are they sad? Look, hindi ko alam kasi hindi naman masyado mabigyang justice ng ating camera eh. So the Lovers. What's with that Lovers? Some of you may makikipag-ayos this week. May mga makikipagbalikan this week. Could be an earth sign. Gemini is here. Air, like you. So what's with its Lovers? Page of Cups, yeah. May mag-start muli. Mayroong magso-sorry. Okay. There could be an offer. Oops. There could be an offer coming in. May magpapakumbaba this week. Meron ako naririnig na parang ilalaban kung anong meron. Yeah, justice. Ilalaban kung anong meron. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, the Star. Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng may mga makikipag-ayos nga. No? May mga magbabalikan. Some of you, pwedeng pinagdarasal mo na to nitong mga nakaraan. And yes, pwedeng mag-manifest ito this week. Okay? Yeah, the Star. Anyway, so there. Nice. Maganda, magaan yung energy. Okay. Some of you, yung unang message for you is like a gabay na parang kung sa tingin mo may mga manunumbalik na something or somebody na pwedeng magkokos sa'yo ng hindi maganda, you have to guard yourself, no? Alam mo kung anong para sa'yo, alam mo kung anong dapat sa'yo, alam mo kung anong tama para sa'yo this week. Okay, air signs? So there. Next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So what's for you this week? This is for the whole week. Again, this is it. This is a new deck again. Wala pang naka-reversed actually. Puro naka-upright pa lang. Yeah. So fire signs. What's for you this week? This whole week? Energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, mensahe. Ano bang meron for our fire signs? Shararan! The Queen of Swords. Libra energy. Meron kang tatapusin this week. Yeah, in general, meron kang tatapusin this week. The Empress. I'm hearing some of you, pwedeng may makuha ng result. Okay, could be about pregnancy. Yeah, pwedeng may makikita ng resulta. Pwedeng gender ng baby mo, makikita na this week, mga ganyang bagay. Yeah, this is Hermit, so yeah, may chance na pwedeng magpupunta ka sa doctor, mga ganyang bagay. Meron din ako dito nakikita safe delivery. Yeah, this is medical. No, medical matter na ang nakukuha ko dito. Pero yeah, sasabihin ko kung anong mga energy na nakikita ko. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi po ako I entertain ng medical matter pagdating po sa private. Okay? Sa private reading, sa personal readings. Yes, hanggat maaari. Okay? Legal matter. Some of you, this could be a legal matter. What's with this Empress? I'm hearing about child support na pwedeng ma-action na this week for some of you. Okay, what else for our fire signs? The World. Changes, acceptance, okay, distance. What's this? Some of you could hear a message or pwedeng merong tatawag sa inyo na pwedeng malayo, long distance. Okay, mga specific. Hindi para sa lahat. So, anong meron sa World? Renewal. I'm hearing renewal. Okay, what's with the World? The Eight of Cups. This is talking about distance, talking about pag-alis, maybe. The Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, meron pong mga pipirma na ng new contract, maybe. Wow, parang artista, no? New contract. No? Yung mga ganong bagay. So, maybe renewal of contract, mga ganyan. So, some of you may chance po na makapag-abroad or kung ano man yung kailangan pagdating sa ina-applyan nyo abroad in general. Pwedeng may mangyaring something ngayong week na pwedeng kung ano man yung inyong hinihintay is pwedeng maibigay na po. Okay? Pwede nang maibigay kung ano man yung hinihintay ninyo pagdating dyan sa kagustuhan nyo magtrabaho abroad or mag-travel abroad. Yes. Ngayong week po ibibigay. Okay? May ganong energy. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Could be visa, if ever. Okay? Yeah, that's nice. What else for fire signs? Ang ganda ng energy. Yes. So, what else? Yeah, safe travels. So, diba? Sa iba, sa inyo. And syempre, sa mga magta-travel. Okay, what else for fire signs? Strength. Okay. Some of you may mababago sa status ninyo in general ngayong week. Yeah. Yung iba mayroong mga ilalaban na kaso, mayroong isasampang kaso, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. Okay, yun po ha. Medical and legal matter, hindi ko po talaga tinatanggap sa personal reading. Okay, hanggat maaari. Yes. Pero wala iba talaga. Kayo na lang po yung parang magbibigay sa akin. Well, sige, go. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na ito talaga yon. Pero yeah, bibigyan ko ng gabay. Parang ganyan. Anyways, oops! Okay, kunin ko to. The Fool. Oh, there's this something na pwedeng sabihin nating narinig ko yung makakonquer. Okay, this week. Okay, something pwedeng may makakonquer ka. Could be something na pwedeng bago pagdating sa'yo, sa panlasa mo, sa kung ano man. Okay, the Fool. May malalayo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yeah, pwedeng yung because of the travel maybe or pagtatrabaho sa iba lugar. This is for the better actually. Pwedeng meron kang iti-take risk ngayong week. Merong mga susubukan. Well, some of you talagang matatapang and talaga namang risk takers, no? Fire signs. Like, okay, go! Go, go, go! Mga ganung bagay-bagay. Oo. So, this is so nice. Nice. Oo. Eight of Pentacles. Iba talaga dito ang nakikita ko. This could be an energy of work. Okay? About work, business. Na pwedeng sabihin natin magpo-progress eventually. No? I'm hearing partnership for some of you. Okay? So, contracts. I'm hearing contracts and signing. Okay? Iba sa inyo parang unang beses magta-travel. Unang beses, sasakay ng eroplano. Iba sa inyo. Yeah? Alone. I'm hearing somebody's alone na pwede mag-travel. And yes, magagawa mo yun. Sabihin natin iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw ito magta-travel mag-isa ngayong week. Merong mangyayaring travel na mag-isa ka lang. So, kapag na-conquer mo yun, ayan, diba? Oo, kapag nalagpasan mo yun, parang isisiw na sa'yo yung susunod. Parang ganon, sisiw na. The Three of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng may pupuntahan, sabihin natin, okasyon lamang, mga ganyang bagay. May imbitahan. Okay? Anyway, so there. Next is water signs. Okay, so what's for you? Water sign placements, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. That's for our water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe po. Thank you. Okay, what else? Anong meron para sa ating mga water signs this week? This week. Okay. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune. Medyo na-curious ako dito sa picture na to. Oh, kung makikita nyo kasi ibang-iba yung images. Okay? Nang nandito, hindi siya yung typical or yung usual na image, no, ng isang tarot. So, the Wheel of Fortune and the Ace of Wands. Ito water signs. Pwedeng merong magnakaw. Ito this is specific. Pwedeng may magnakaw ng sarili mong plano, may magnakaw ng idea mo. Be careful. Okay, be careful. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Be careful. Kaya tula dito yung energy ng Seven of Swords. The Thief. Yeah, the Ten of Wands. Somebody, pwedeng sabihin nating may nahihirapan pagdating sa pag-iisip. And yes, I don't know kung ikakopy na lang niya to. Okay? Meron ding makikinabang sa gagawin mo, sa success mo. Pwedeng madadamay lang sila sa success mo. Mga ganong bagay. Wheel of Fortune, the Ace of Wands. Opportunities. Pwedeng may mga mangyayaring opportunities or could be an offer this whole week. Okay? Tingnan natin kung anong meron. Yan, the Page of Cups. May makakagusto, something. Kung ano man yung proposal na meron ka. Some of you, kung meron kang proposal, pwedeng sabihin natin, ma-accept, no? Parang ganyan. Ma-approve. Okay? You're in the right path, some of you. Kung meron kayong mga sinisimulan or may mga sisimulan kayo this whole week. Could be business. Yeah. So what else? Small business, no? Kahit magtinda ka dyan sa harap ng bahay mo. Mga ganun bagay. Hindi ko sinabing kapag business malakihan. Hindi Anything. Okay, na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Ngayong week. Magpa-progress. Kahit papano. Okay? So what's with our water signs? What else? The Eight of Cups. And the Knight of Swords. Specific, kung sino man yung umalis, siya yung babalik. Siya yung makikipag-ayos. Kung sino yung nanahimik, the Seven of Swords. Kung sino yung nagtago, sino yung nag-cheat, siya yung magre-reach out ngayong week. Ngayong week. Let's see, anong magiging pagdating po sa pagre-reach out ng taong yan. Communication, mga ganyang bagay. Anong meron? Anong ganap? The Ace of Pentacles. They want a new beginning. The intention, gusto nila magkaroon ng panibago, no, na panimula sa inyo. So, what else? May mga makikipagbalikan this week, mga water signs. What else? Water signs. The Ten of Swords. What's with that? The Ten of Cups. Acceptance. Some of you, this could be an energy of healing. Okay? Acceptance. Accepting kung anong meron sa ngayon. Parang ganyan. Ano ba tong Ten of Swords? I'm hearing sabotage. Pwedeng may mga ano ba yan? Manabutahe ngayong week sa'yo tulad nung kaninang nakita ko, Nakita natin is yung pwedeng may magnanakaw ng plano or idea mo pagdating dyan sa workplace if ever. Or kung kahit saan man. Okay, mas maganda, wag ka na munang magsabi na kung ano mang may plano, idea mo ngayong week. Kahit kanino. Don't trust anybody this week. Pagdating sa mga plano mo. Okay? The Fool. May nakikita ko dito kabado eh. Kinakabahan. Yeah. Pagdating sa pwedeng mangyari, I don't know if this is talking about ending or changes. Somebody is overthinking. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, ma-accept at ma-accept rin naman kung anong meron. Maintindihan rin naman. Okay? Andun yung suporta. May narinig akong suporta. Yeah. Andun din yung concern ng ibang tao pagdating sa'yo. Makakuha ka ng support. Yeah, the King of Cups, the Star. Support, emotionally maybe. Okay? Some of you could be dealing with depression. Okay? Yeah, there's always support. Okay? Meron palaging nandyan para sa'yo. Somebody needs to hear that. Okay? Maintindihan at maintindihan ka rin. Mga ganun na bagay. Okay? So, alam nila. Nakikita nila kung ano ang meron sa'yo. Ramdam nila na merong mali. Okay? Hinahayaan ka lang din nila na parang ikaw totally mismo yung mag-open. Yeah. Okay? So, there. So, next, Earth signs. So, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. What's for you this whole week? This whole week. Yeah, this is a new deck. Naka-upright pa lahat. Hindi ko pa nire-reverse. Pag may na-reverse, i-upright ko. Okay, anyway. So, what's for you? Earth signs. The Five of Wands. Fight. I'm hearing fight. A fight. Diskusyonan. What's with this Five of Wands? Drama. The Hierophant. Okay. So, meron ditong mabibigyan this week. Okay? Kung ano man yung drama, sabihin nating problem, malulutas ngayong week. Okay? I don't know if this is talking about health issues, mga ganyan. I'm hearing doctor here, the Hierophant. Okay? So, parang mabibigyan ka ng, sabihin natin, kaunting, like makakahinga-hinga ka, no? Mabubunutan ng tinik, no? Sa lalamunan, parang mga ganyang bagay. Yes. So, mapapayuhan, parang ganyan yung iba sa inyo. Matuturuan kung ano man ang mga dapat gawin if ever. So, what else for Earth signs? The Three of Pentacles. Cooperation. Cooperation. What's with the Three of Pentacles? Some of you, pwedeng may chance na magkaroon ng kaunting issue pagdating po sa workplace. Okay? Na pwede namang sabihin nating mabibigyan ng kasagutan or magandang kalalabasan. Parang ganyan kung magkakaayos. Kung magkakaintindihan. The World. Progress. I'm hearing unity. Kailangan ng unity, kailangan ng collaboration ngayong week, mga Earth signs. Kailangan ng magandang partnership, pagkakaayos, pagkakaintindihan, mga ganyang bagay. Temperance. Yeah. Patience. Okay, so nangangailangan ng mas mahaba pang pasensya ngayong week. I don't know why. What's with that Temperance? The Tower. Pagdating sa mga sabihin nating hindi inaasahan. Okay? Mas maging pasensyosa ngayong week sa kung ano man ang parang makikita nating parang issue ngayong week na darating. Okay? Kung ano na-expect mo, parang ganyan. Kung ano na-expect mo at hindi pala yun ang darating, hindi pala yun mangyayari. Sabihin nating konting pasensya, no? Parang ganyan, konting pasensya. Huwag agad-agad magagalit, mga ganong bagay. Ngayong week, ha? Ngayong week. Ano ba tong The Tower? The King of Wands. Fire sign, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Meron pa akong message na naririnig dito, mga earth signs. Kahit gaano pa, or sabihin nating kabalanse ang ibinibigay mo sa mga sitwasyon, meron pa rin ditong parang gusto sila yung masusunod. Yeah. Some of you, itetest nila yung temper mo. Some of you, itetest nila. Yan, the Fool. Titingnan nila kung lalabas ba yung totoo mong ugali or what. Huwag nang hayaan yun. Okay? They will just, test your temper, test your, kung ano man, hanggang saan ba yung limit mo. Okay? Ano bang meron sa King of Wands na to? Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Some of you, this could be, something related sa isang legal matter. Okay? Legal matter. Pwedeng mabaliktad ka dito kung ikaw itong parang papangunahan ng galit or takot, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Some of you, universe will give you or throw you signs. Okay? Signals. I don't know kung anong meron. So, siguro kung anong kailangan mo ngayong week. Okay? Sabihin nating merong opinion, merong mensahe sa universe sa'yo. Pagmasdan ninyo yung paligid ninyo, no? Kung madalas makakita kayo ng numbers, synchronicities, mga ganyan, a white feather, mga ganyang bagay, okay? Bubuyog, napapasok sa bahay mo, mga ganyang bagay, no? So, yeah, pwedeng sabihin nating gabay sa'yo yon. Okay? Kunin ko to. The Ten of Wands. The King of Pentacles. So, medyo nakakapagod yung energy Lunes pa lang. Okay? Masyadong madaming ganap pagdating sa trabaho, pagdating sa business, mga ganyang bagay. Pero, yeah, actually, magbibigay sa'yo to ng parang challenge sa'yo, no? Again, lagi nalabas yung Fool. So, siguro, may mga bago na pwedeng mangyari ngayong week. May mga bago, energies, mga ganyan. Okay? Somebody is silent, wanting forgiveness. Wanting something. I don't know kung ano. I don't know kung binablock mo sila or parang feeling nila binablock mo nga sila. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. So again, thank you. Goodbye.